Pause. This right here is a kingfish, and it may not be as big as some of the ones you're seeing right now. But luckily, I'm not very picky, so I take the first available shot and end up with a gut shot. Despite the poor shot, excitement fills my body, along with adrenaline. I scream out to my dive buddy to put an extra shot in. Once he does, the relief kicks in and the excitement picks up. With the excitement now over, I finally got a chance to accept the size of the fish and take some cool footage with it.